Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. So, my 2014 Toyota Sienna. I had to do an oil change, and I wanted to fix the bumper alignment, and I wanted to polish out these oxidized headlights. Um, so yeah, I really wanted to do it off the car, so that way I don't have to worry about taping stuff up and scratching the fender or anything like that. So, and it just felt right to pull it off. And so from when I got this van, it had I got it used, and Toyota had their own kit. So one of the things that they said that they replaced and did was use their headlight restoration kit. It still looked like crap back then, and that was 2017. And so I never really worried about it. I actually thought about just getting brand new headlights and then go from there, taking care of them. I did at one point, maybe it was 2018, I bought a Chemical Guys headlight kit, I think it was, and I tried to do it and it just didn't seem right. And so anyways, like I said, I was thinking about getting like the 2015 headlights that has the little LED bottoms and stuff like that. But I don't know. After seeing some more videos, I decided to try to let me buff this out. But if I'm gonna do it, I gotta take them out and start the process. The kit I'm gonna use is this one. Let me grab it real quick. So the kit I'm gonna use is this headlight restoration kit from Sylvania. When you look on YouTube, every company has a version, and something that's great in one video is mediocre in another video. But I decided to go with Sylvania. I like, one of the things I wanted to make sure was that they had some kind of UV blocker type of clear coat or whatever. That way I can, not just polish it with like till it shines and then like, I don't know, 2 weeks later that it fades. So that was one of the things that I really wanted to make sure that I got with one of these applications is a clear coat. I'm gonna wash these real quick, but I think, like I said, eventually I think I'm just gonna get the newer headlights. That way I can start fresh and do all that. Plus, I want to have the LED lighting on the bottom and stuff like that. So anyways, let me just wash these and I'll go through that process. I'm not gonna do just like a sped up video or anything like that, because there's a million of them. But this is just for myself as accountability. All right, so I went through the sanding phase, which was 400 grit sandpaper, then 1,000, and then 2,000. I did take some extra time to, make sure I got it right, wiped it down, sprayed more water, and so this is how they look right now. So I am going to apply the last steps and go from there. But I'm super happy about it. Alright, so I follow the steps of the Sylvania kit, and I just put on the UV blocker. Wow, that actually looks amazing. Yeah, this is really dope. I try to focus up here where all the issues usually are. I actually might go back and get another coat over it. But wow, I am super impressed. That's really, really clean.